My name's Manan Shastri. I'm here at the Epic Games booth where you've got a bunch of different products on display. So, most importantly, we have MetaHuman, we have Reality Scan, we have an EMA section where people can come ask questions. There's a gaming section there where a lot of the Unreal Engine and UEFN games are portrayed. And there's also a more technical section here where if anyone wants to clarify any technical data, any details, they can come here and ask questions. We have the mobile gaming section where people can play mobile games that are built on Unreal Engine. And then there's also the virtual production area where we are portraying VCAM and you can see VCAM displays there. It's an amazing event. You get to interact and meet a lot of different people. You come across a lot of like-minded people. People are loving the experiences here. We as well, right? Some of the games that are being portrayed are amazing. Yeah, it's a great experience.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.